Yes, sir.
Behavior of the consumer. Now you write down consumer's equilibrium. What is consumer's equilibrium? It is a situation. It is a situation when a consumer gets maximum satisfaction from his income stipend. From his income stipend. So consumer's equilibrium means when a consumer gets maximum satisfaction from his income stipend, from his money stipend. When a person spends his money in the market, what he receives, that product should fetch him so much satisfaction as he or she has paid to the shopkeeper. Satisfaction. So it depends upon the behavior of the consumer. Generally, the consumer will attain satisfaction or equilibrium at a point when marginal utility of a product is equal to the price of the product. So thus, consumer is an equilibrium when marginal utility of the product is equal to the price of the product. Is equal to the price of the product. When marginal utility is equal to price, that is when marginal utility of X is equal to price of X. Or in other words, हम ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं, or in other words, when marginal utility of a product in terms of money, marginal utility of a product in terms of, in other words, when marginal utility in terms of money, is equal to the price of the product. Is equal to the price of the product. That is when marginal consumer's equilibrium is equal to marginal utility of product divided by marginal utility of money. Marginal utility of money. Marginal utility of money is equal to price. So this left hand side is marginal utility in terms of money. Marginal utility of product divided by marginal utility of money. This part becomes marginal utility in terms of money. Marginal utility in terms of money should be equal to price. Should be equal to price. So this is a situation when consumer is in equilibrium. There are two situations when marginal utility is equal to price of the product or marginal utility in terms of money. It is same. Marginal utility in terms of utility, that should be equal to price. So we cannot here it is very difficult to see the marginal utility and price equation. We draw the line, we draw the marginal utility curve. This marginal utility curve draw kara. You say yesterday we draw a marginal utility curve. So this is a unique situation. consumer is in equilibrium, or he or she is getting maximum satisfaction. Equilibrium means when consumer gets maximum satisfaction from the income spent. So consumer's equilibrium is equal to when marginal utility of product in terms of money, or marginal utility in terms of money should be equal to price of the product. We can explain it with the help of a sample table. हमारे पास टेबल है एक. For example, देखिए आप, a consumer's equilibrium is explained below. Equilibrium explained below. Consumer's equilibrium is explained below.
Is explained below. Below.
In which price of the product, in which we assume कर रहा है को आसान करने के लिए, price of product rupees, price of product is rupees 2, marginal utility of money is equal to 8, and marginal utility of money or rupee is equal to 8, is equal to 8. Utility is equal to 8. So we assume two things. A, price of the product is 2. There is a price in the market which is bought and sold at rupees 2 per unit, and marginal utility of money is 8 utilities. अब हम proceed करेंगे how to locate the consumer's equilibrium, or where our consumer is at equilibrium. What stage is what level of production aspects, sorry, what level of consumption aspects, equilibrium aspect. Number of units consumed or purchased. Consumed. Number of units consumed. Marginal utility. Marginal utility. MU. Marginal utility of product divided by marginal utility of money. ये एक कॉलम है. Next column is price of the product. Price. कुछ चीजें हमने assume की है already. This marginal utility हमने assume किया है it is equal to 8. ये price of the product हमने assume किया है it is rupees 2. ये दो चीजें हमने already assume किए. Yes. अब देखना है marginal utility of money. ये मैंने कल yesterday I discussed it that as we go on consuming a good, जितना हम एक चीज ज्यादा कंज्यूम करेंगे, it is utility, जो इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस है वो कम हो जाती है ना?
Yes sir.
मतलब अगर हम प्यासे हैं, हमें we are very much thirst, जब हम पानी का एक गिलास पियेंगे, एक घूंट पियेंगे उसमें ज्यादा मजा होगा, जब दूसरा घूंट पियेंगे उसमें कम होगा, जब तीसरा पियेंगे उसमें और कम होगा. So as we go on consuming the water, the importance of water or utility of water decreases for us. ठीक है?
Yes
इसी
sir.
तरह अगर आपके पास पहला ड्रेस आएगा तो वो आपको ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा, और जब दूसरा आएगा वो उससे कम, जब तीसरा वो उससे कम, चौथा वो उससे कम. So as we increase your dresses, the importance of or utility for dresses decrease for you, है ना?
Yes
तो इसी
sir.
तरह हम यहाँ assume करते हैं, ये लॉ भी है, लॉ ऑफ डिमिनिशिंग मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी, जो हमने कल पढ़ा है, वो वीडियो आप देखना है.
Yes sir.
उसमें हमने डिस्कस किया है कि as we go on consuming a product, the marginal utility decreases. So क्या था वो लॉ? आज वो अथर नहीं आई है, ये लॉ मार्शल ने दे दिया. diminishing marginal utility says that the more we have of a good, the less we want to have more of it. जितना एक चीज हमारे पास ज्यादा आता है, हम चाहते हैं कि ये अब कम हो जाए, हैं?
Sir.
तो अगर हम पहला यूनिट कंज्यूम करेंगे, फॉर एग्जांपल आवर मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी इज 40, मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी इज
40.
40, इसमें हमें 40 की सेटिस्फेक्शन, 40 यूटिलिटीज, मतलब जो हमें सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलती है वो साइकोलॉजिकल है, वो हम दिल में महसूस करते हैं, दिमाग में महसूस करते हैं, है ना?
Yes, sir.
वो हम रुपयों में उसको हम कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं?
Yes, sir.
अब यहां हम रुपयों में ऐसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, इस कॉलम में नहीं। जब दूसरा ड्रेस आपके पास आएगा तो उसकी जो यूटिलिटी है वो कम होगी, 32, ठीक है? हाँ, 32। अगर तीसरा ड्रेस आपके पास आएगा तो उसकी यूटिलिटी और कम होगी,
24.
फोर्थ इसकी और कम होगी, फिफ्थ और कम होगी, 8, 6, 4। So
Yes.
this is marginal utility law of diminishing marginal utility. अगर आप कर्व बनाओगे वो डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग होगी, as you increase the consumption marginal utility decreases, जिसका डिमांड करो, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अब ये कॉलम बनाओ, मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ये है 40, मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट है ना 40 यहाँ, डिवाइड बाय मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी ऑफ मनी 8 है, तो इसका मतलब है मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी बन गया 5।
5.
ये समझ आता है? ये कॉलम,
Yes, sir.
ये कॉलम हमें बताता है मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, ये है मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट डिवाइड बाय मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी ऑफ मनी, वो ऑलरेडी हमने अज्यूम किया है 8। सो हियर marginal utility in terms of money बन गया 40 divided by 8, that is 5. 32 divided by 8, it is 4. 24 divided by 8, ये बन गया 3. 16 divided by 8, ये बन गया 2. 8 divided by 8, ये बन गया 1. 4 divided by 8, ये बन गया 0.5। ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
ये क्या है? प्राइस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट 2 है, 2 रुपीज, ये गिवन है। प्राइस तो मार्केट में दिया हुआ है, इट इज 2 रुपीज। अब बताओ मुझे कि कंज्यूमर कहां पे इक्विलिब्रियम पे है, किस लेवल पे? फर्स्ट पे है, सेकंड पे है, थर्ड पे है, फोर्थ पे है, फिफ्थ पे है? कौन सा यूनिट वो इस्तेमाल करता है जब वो इक्विलिब्रियम पे है? When he is at equilibrium. ऊपर हमने लिखा है the consumer is at equilibrium when marginal utility of product divided by marginal utility of money is equal to price.
Yes, sir.
ऊपर लिखा ना?
Yes, sir.
Marginal utility of product divided by marginal utility should be equal to price. ये दो कॉलम जहां पे बराबर है, कहां पे बराबर है? ये कहां पे बराबर है? When consumer is consuming 4th unit, तो ये बन गया कंज्यूमर्स इक्विलिब्रियम stage. This is the stage of consumers equilibrium when marginal utility in terms of money of the product is equal to price of the product. जितना पे करता है उतनी ही सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलती है।
Yes, sir.
जब ये कॉलम और ये कॉलम बराबर है, that means when consumer is at equilibrium when marginal utility of product, अभी हमने लिखा ना, divided
Yes,
by
sir.
marginal utility of money is equal to price, is equal to price.
Price.
अब नीचे लिख दीजिए from the table the consumer attains equilibrium when he consumes 4th unit of the good where the satisfaction in terms of money is equal to the price of the product. So from the table the consumer, ये खुद ही लिखना था, is at equilibrium or he is getting maximum satisfaction. Maximum satisfaction when he is consuming fourth unit of the good,
Good.
when marginal utility in terms of money is equal to the price of the product. Is equal to the
Price of the product.
price of the product. So because marginal utility of in terms of money, if he will decrease, if he will increase consumption or decrease consumption, he cannot be at equilibrium, because either marginal utility in terms of money is more to the price, or price is more to the marginal utility of marginal utility in terms of money. अगर ये हुराई तेल छे marginal utility कम गसा price ज्यादा गसा, अगर ये कम कर तेल छे marginal ज्यादा गसा price कम रोजा. So equilibrium go ये तो दोनों very forces आसन बराबर. So equilibrium means when all forces are equal. All forces are equal. Yes. So here the forces are equal when consumer is consuming fourth unit. When he is consuming fourth unit. Clear हो गया?
Yes, sir.
जब वो consume करता है fourth unit. This is in the form of a diagram. So how to show the consumer's equilibrium with the help of a diagram? With the help of diagram. हम दिखा सकते हैं diagram के through. So as we know, diagrammatic representation of consumer's equilibrium. So as we know, consumer is at equilibrium. Consumer's equilibrium is when marginal utility is equal to price. जब marginal utility price के बराबर हो, the consumer is at equilibrium. So we can show it with the help of a diagram. Let along OX we measure number of units consumed. The number of units consumed. Here we measure marginal utility and price. Price is given as ₹2 here. Price है ना दिया हुआ. It is ₹2. 1, 2 ये कुछ है.
Yes.
So अब marginal utility देखना है. Marginal utility के लिए as per law of diminishing marginal utility करो downward sloping करो. This is marginal utility करो. This is marginal utility curve. This is price line. Yes. So consumer is at equilibrium when marginal utility is equal to price. So this is this point when consumer is at equilibrium. For example, it is fourth unit. है ना? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. पर है consumer's equilibrium. Consumer's equilibrium. So you can write down, this is your homework.
Yes,
From the above table, along OX we measure number of units consumed, and along OY we measure marginal utility and price. MU is marginal utility curve, which is downward sloping, shows that marginal utility decreases when consumption of the good increases.
Yes,
The number of units increase. So marginal, there is inverse relationship between consumption and marginal utility. Consumption and marginal utility. We have a price line, PP. PP is price line, which shows price of the product in the market, which is assumed as ₹2. So price line and marginal utility curve cuts at point E, which shows consumer's equilibrium. So consumer point E shows consumer's equilibrium when consumer consumes 4th unit of the good, where marginal utility is equal to price of the product. When marginal utility of the product is equal to price of the product. So at point E, the forces are equal. That is, price and marginal utility are equal. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about. You have to write down some lines for this diagram. What we have done, what we did in the diagram. Along O-X, we measure number of units. Along O-Y, we measure marginality and price. MU is marginal utility curve, which is downward sloping, shows diminishing marginal utility. As consumption increases, the marginal utility decrease. PP is price line, which shows ₹2 is price of the product in the market. These two curves, price line and marginal utility curve, cuts at point E, which is equilibrium point, which shows consumer is at equilibrium when he is consuming 4th unit of the product. So this is all about the consumer's equilibrium. We can have consumer's equilibrium. This is one product case. We can have 2 or more than 2 product cases. When consumer is consuming more than 2 goods, and consumer is consuming more than 2 goods, how to calculate the consumer's equilibrium? This is when he is consuming 1 good or purchasing 1 good and consuming 1. The consumer's equilibrium, when consumer consumes 2 or more than 2 goods, the formula for calculating the consumer's equilibrium in case of 2 or more than 2 goods. Consumer's equilibrium when consumer consumes 2 or more than 2 goods. When consumer consumes 2 or more than 2 goods, for example, he is consuming X, Y, Z, M, and the consumers. So consumer's equilibrium when consumer consumes 2 or more than 2 goods, the consumer's equilibrium will be equal to the consumer's equilibrium in case of 2 or more than 2 goods. अब आती है आवाज? Consumer's equilibrium in case of 2 or in case of आपको आती है? मुस्कान आपको आती है?
Yes, sir.
अथर को नहीं आती है, इसको नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम की फिर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है. In case of 2 or more than 2 goods, जब 2 या 2 से ज्यादा गुड्स है तो उस वक्त होती है marginal utility of X divided by price of X should be equal to marginal utility of Y divided by price of Y. That should be equal to marginal utility of Z divided by price of Z, and this all should be equal to अगर हमारे पास 3 प्रोडक्ट्स हैं तो ये बराबर होने चाहिए marginal utility of money, which is always constant. ये याद रखना, marginal utility of money always constant है. और अगर 2-3 से ज्यादा हो तो ऐसे भी इक्वेशन हो सकती है, price of X should be equal to marginal utility of Y divided by price of Y. It should be equal to marginal utility of Z divided by price of Z, which should be equal to this marginal utility of money. So this is, so X is good X good X, Y is good Y, Z is good Z, and we have
सर नीचे आते हैं नीचे आवाज साफ है वहाँ
मुस्कान आपको आती है?
Yes, sir.
مش ناقمة بوزة. So this is, अब मैं वीडियो डालूंगा ना, सेव करके वीडियो डालूंगा तो उसमें भी देखना है. अथर आप लेट आ गई आज. So this is all about consumer's equilibrium in case of one good and in case of two goods. In case of
Too good.
two or more than two
Too
goods.
good.
तो एक चीज जब होगी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट वही है when marginal utility of product is equal to price of product. For example, marginal utility of X should be equal to price of X, जो हमने अभी डिस्कस किया है क्लास में. This is all about the consumer's equilibrium. कोई प्रॉब्लम?
No,
दो
sir.
फॉलोअर्स मैंने marginal utility of X is equal to price of X, और दूसरी है marginal utility of X divided by margin of money should be equal to price of X. Margin
Yes, sir.
of money should be equal to price of the product. So this is all about the consumer's equilibrium. Thank you very much. तो ये मैं सेव करके उसमें डालूंगा ग्रुप में भी.
Sir. As करो एडमिशन करो.
तुम्हें उसको फोन करना है तो
ये बस वो ना स्कोर कैंसर.
कोविड की वजह कोविड की वजह से.
अंजा.
Yes.
बे प्रोविजनल एडमिशन छ ना सच करा. प्रोविजनल एडमिशन.
प्रोविजनल किसके लिए? जिसकी एक किताब वापस है, हैं?
अंजा.
हाँ उसका हो सकता है.